Hello everyone, this is me Pooja Training Wali from Ryan AI Teachers Training Level 2. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with my level 2 task. So I am going to give a review on a very inspiring TED Talk that is every kid needs a champion, and this talk was presented by Rita Pearson. First of all, let me introduce this personality. Rita Pearson was an experienced educator who worked as a teacher for about 40 years. She strongly believed that every child deserves an adult who believes in them, encourages them, and helps them succeed in their lives. So now we are moving towards this talk, what she wants to express in this talk. In this TEDx talk, Rita Pearson talks about the importance of building positive relationships with students. She said that a teacher should engage with students. She explains that children learn better from people they trust and respect. According to her, teaching is not only about delivering lessons, but it also about connecting with students on a personal level. She also shares some stories from her teaching experience that shows that how teachers can make a huge difference in a child's life or in a student's life. She says that students need teachers who care about them, who motivate them, and who never give up on them. She also mentions that teachers can make mistakes, but they should be willing to admit them and also continue supporting their students. One of the very main message from this talk is that every child needs a champion, someone who believes in their potential and someone who encourages them to do their best. Rita Pearson believes that when children feel valued and supported, they become more confident and successful learners. Overall, this TED Talk teaches us that strong relationships are just as important as academic knowledge. Students perform better when they know that their teachers care about them and believe in their abilities. A positive and supportive teacher can have a lasting impact on a student's bright future. So I found that this TED Talk is very inspiring and also meaningful because it reminds me that teachers play an important role, but it not only play an important role in education but also in shaping students' confidence and their characters. I really agree with the Rita Pearson talk that every child needs a champion who believes in them and also helps them to achieve their goals. So, this was all about from my side that it was about the child's success and the reason behind the child's success is their supporter, their teacher, we can say, their motivator, and their facilitator. So, this was all about this talk from my side. I hope you all enjoy this session, and inshallah, we will meet very soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz.